Teacher Service Commission has so far advertised 34,016 teachers for 2026-2027 financial year. Kuppet is concerned by the unfair policies governing the entire process. Our first concern is the Commission's obsession with the bureaucratic technicalities while ignoring major policy shifts in the education sector. Of particular concern is the Commission's failure to advertise the exact number which the President himself had pronounced on 50,000 vacancies, which he himself mandated on 13 September 2025. The advertisement have shut out JSS teachers who served for 2 years under contract from January 2023 and December 2024. The union demands that the teacher career progression should take into account their full service under the TSC as we know it. The failure by the Ministry of Education to publish the list of teachers to be promoted under the Presidential Award for excellence in drama, music and sport.
Vile Secretary General ameweza kuelezea, la si hivyo tutakuwa tunatoa ilani mara moja kwa Teacher Service Commission, sababu hawezi kuchukua ile mwelekeo ambao walipewa na rais wa hii nchi kama mchezo. Wanaambiwa 50,000 au wanaelekeza 34,000.